How to book GP appointment UK online. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can book a GP appointment in the United Kingdom online. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. We're going to make this process through nhs.uk. So you're going to find that website link in the description of this tutorial. So when you go into nhs.uk, you're going to find this website, and here in the upper menu at the end, you're going to find the NHS services. So you must click on it, and as you can see, there's the GP section, so about GP services, including how to find and register with local GP and how to book an appointment. So I'm going to click there, and there you're going to find like related services or even to find a GP. And also some articles. So by now I'm going to click on appointments and bookings at your GP surgery. So you're gonna find some other tools and info it is gonna be useful for you. Remember, you could do these online or by phone or even in person by going to the surgery and talking to the receptionist. But by now we're gonna start using online services. But by now I'm going to find your GP surgery. So here you must to enter your postcode in England. I'm gonna click on search. And as you can see, there are gonna be a lot of clinics or centers, medical centers, where you can get your GP surgery. You just have to go into one of them and register online with this GP. So I'm going to try with the Wellspring surgery. You must follow the steps here. So I'm going to begin the process. You must solve like CAPTCHA. Let me guess. Success. And here you just have to follow the steps in order to book your GP appointment. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can get your GP appointment with nhs.uk in the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching.